Check this out. My portfolio has officially passed $2,000 just by investing as little as $1 a day into various different companies. Hey everyone, I'm the Anonymous Investor. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be going over my dollar day investing into Cash App. So if you haven't already checked out the first video I released on January 8th, I highly recommend you check it out. There'll be a link in the description just so you can see the difference between that time and then a couple days later, like a little less than a month later. So I am officially at 2014, and obviously it's going to change on the cents as this video goes on. But in total, I have invested $1,500. Now, the most amazing thing about this is that I did this by just investing $1 a day into various different companies. And of course, the market is not open 7 days a week. It is only open Monday through Friday, and occasionally we had some holidays where it was closed. So really, I've been investing around $5 weekly into different companies. And the whole idea I wanted to test this out was like, when it comes to the stock market, a lot of people have fears about starting, about what do I invest in? I don't know what's a good thing. You know, you could always do ETF, but I decided, what if you invest $1 a day into various companies, various well-known companies, some recovery stocks and everything, and see what happens. So this is my journey, and currently I am at the 2,000 mark, as I already mentioned. In total I've invested $1,494, and the total gain is $520. So if I click on details, that is a 35% almost in gain. So now, just for those of you that know nothing about investing, realistically, until I sell, I don't actually make the money. Right now, it's just on my accounts, but until I would have to sell every single stock I own, every single share I own, in order for me to actually pull out the $2,014. But this is how my net worth has changed over time. All right, so let's go down and we're gonna go stock by stock. And the first one we have, the best gaining, is Tesla. Tesla, I've invested $183 for a total gain of $272. So that's funny. The gain just from buying Tesla every single day is greater than the amount I've invested. It is up 150%. Man, Tesla has been wild. And just to show everyone, see, there's the activity I bought today. I bought yesterday, Monday, Friday, Thursday, January 27th, literally every single day. I started this adventure all the way back in, let's scroll all the way down, back in May 13th. So I can't wait to do a full year update to see where I'm at. So yeah, 183 days have passed since, and it is currently up 150%. So this is my best performer, $455 in Tesla. In Apple actually started like 2 weeks prior. This one in total I have $197 invested. The reason it says 39 cents is because I accidentally sold one time and then I had to buy back. But this has a $56 gain for a 28.6%. It's pretty impressive. Disney's doing really good. This has a 33% gain, $61. And then let's see, Starbucks is up $33, 18%. Let's keep scrolling down. Microsoft is up 16%, 183 invested as well. Everything except Apple is going to be $183. Boeing, this is one of my recovery plays. Boeing is at 15% for $27 gain. Amazon just had a record-breaking quarter last quarter in 2020. They crossed 100 billion in sales, billion with a B, and Bezos is stepping down as CEO. So right there where you see CEO, it's not going to say Bezos in the future. But anyhow, yeah, in total, this has gone up $20. So not that great of a performer, but I mean, it's still a 10% increase. So just for reference, if you were to put money in a savings account in a bank, you'd get like 0.05 if you're lucky. It's more like 0.02, 0.01. So that's pretty impressive as well. And then we have Netflix. Netflix is my worst performer of the bunch, which is funny because a while ago after they released that they had like crossed 2 million paying subscribers, Netflix jumped all the way up to $585. It is currently at $540, so it's dropped $40 since. But even then, I'm up $20, approximately 10.5%. So everything I've invested in is up 10% or more. Once again, with Tesla leading the charge at 150% increase, ridiculous. And then I also started investing in NEO $1 a day after NEO Day. So NEO is down 48 cents, so I'm down 3%. But again, this just goes to show you the power of dollar cost averaging and just $1 a day. If I go back to a week, like right here, so basically when I was buying here, I was buying at a pretty high time, but then as the market drops, I started buying at a lower price, so probably here I was down more than 3%, but then it starts to recover and it sort of starts to balance out. So dollar cost averaging, it really works, but right now we are in a bull market, so it's going to be interesting to see what happens if we're ever, if we're ever in a bear market. But yeah, this is currently my progress, investing $1 a day in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different companies now. So realistically, it's $9 a day. It used to be $8 a day. But yeah, I mean, the whole idea just being like, even if you just picked one stock, like, could you find somewhere out of your life to pull a dollar and just put it into a company you know, a company you believe in, a company you trust? Like, think about if you go to Starbucks every day, can you maybe go to Starbucks one less day out of the week and put $5 a week into Starbucks, right? What if you go to McDonald's? Maybe instead of going to McDonald's, or maybe instead of purchasing the most expensive item, maybe you divert that into some McDonald's stock. Or Amazon, right? Who doesn't buy on Amazon? Or whatever it is, right? Netflix. If you have a Netflix subscription, I don't even know how much it costs now, $13 a month? Can you maybe find a way to diversify some of that money into Netflix stocks? So just things to think about. Apple, as you can see, these are popular stocks. These are not like spec plays. These are not like penny stocks. These are pretty popular stocks that have a pretty big market cap. And then the last thing I want to show you guys is just my Bitcoin. So in Bitcoin, I am at $116. Funny thing about Bitcoin, if I scroll down to the activity, the only money I ever invested in Bitcoin is $7, starting at May 12th, ending on May 21st. I stopped buying Bitcoin on here because if for every $1, it would cost me 6 cents. So really, I was only investing 94 cents. So I'm like, oh, that's not worth it. After I invest $100, that's going to cost me $6. But the rest of the Bitcoin I got just by swiping the Cash App, I've mentioned before. I'll even post a link in the description below to a video really highlighting the Cash App. I love the Cash App because they have boosts, and one of the boosts was where you could earn free Bitcoin basically every time you spent anything you purchased anywhere. Like I would buy a gift card, I'd go to Walmart and buy a gift card, and so I was able to earn free Bitcoin. And so currently I am at $116, so that's pretty cool too. So in total, this is more like 2,130 almost. So yeah, that's what I wanted to do in this video. I wanted to update you guys, especially since my portfolio crossed the $2,000 mark. It's going to be exciting to see where it's at by May 13th or whenever I started, so at the end of the year. And then it's going to be exciting when my total invested has actually crossed initially the 2,000 mark to see where the total gain is at. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments below. Are you invested in any stocks? Also let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys very much, and remember to never stop learning.